Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use auto velocity for your videos in CapCut PC. So I don't think you'll be able to find it here, but if you go to AI Stylize and go to Style, select OK, and then select Motion, video effects, sorry, there should be an auto velocity section for you to choose. Select it and wait for it to process for a bit. It does take a few seconds to minutes depending on how long your video is, so just please be patient. Here I'm just going to wait for it to process. It's still at 15%, so I don't really want to speed this up because that means I have to export it and edit it. But how are y'all doing on this very fine day? It's actually very rainy and thundery today. Very stormy. Stormy. Okay. I'm not even going to go there, but hi, do you like Taylor Swift? And if you do, when is she going to put out Reputation, Taylor's version? Like, when do you think she's gonna put that out? That was like my favorite, like one of my favorite albums. It's actually my favorite, maybe. Either that or Folklore. But anyways, I'm still waiting for it to process so I can show you guys the final results of this video. There we go. This is what it should look like at the end. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you want to, you can also add in either camera tracking to make it like look cooler, I guess, or you can add in some AI movements as well to it, maybe like a dynamic one, I don't know. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. If you haven't done that already, if you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. I'm just trying to like talk so you guys can see the final results. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.